Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this keto chocolate bar with bacon and almonds. Hello, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. I've got an oldie but a goodie recipe. This recipe has been on my blog for years, but it is super delicious and really easy to make. It is a chocolate bar with sugar-free chocolate chips, but we're going to add bacon. Yes. Bacon in our chocolate bar and almonds. It's going to be amazing. So first thing we need to do is melt our chocolate chips. I've got a whole bag of Lily's chocolate baking chips. So we're gonna microwave these for 30 seconds in 30-second increments until they're completely melted. Okay, our chocolate is just about melted. So let me just stir it. And the heat, the residual heat's gonna completely melt the rest of it. So now I'm gonna add a half a cup of chopped almonds, and I'm gonna stir that into our chocolate. And now it's ready to pour onto a parchment sheet lined sheet tray. So I'm just going to scrape the bowl out onto the sheet tray. And now we're going to just spread it out into an even layer. You want to get it as thin as you can without there being any holes. Okay, now we've got 2 pieces of bacon that I diced up and then cooked. So we're going to sprinkle that on top. This is going to give you that sweet, salty, crunchy bite. It's really going to be the perfect bite. Okay, now this needs to refrigerate for at least 20 minutes just for the chocolate to harden back up. So we're going to stick this in the refrigerator and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, our chocolate bar is firmed up out of the refrigerator. So let me show you how firm it is first. And then what you want to do is you just want to start breaking it into pieces. So this recipe makes 8 servings. So you could have a really good sized piece of chocolate bar as one of your servings. Yeah, and it's gonna make a mess on your hands, but it's still really, it's like candy, you know, you can pick it up and hold it. Oh, I want a piece with bacon. Let's try it. If you're a fan of salty sweet, you are going to love this recipe, so be sure you check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.